Good morning, it's day 7, breakfast time. What do we have for breakfast? We have some pineapple with turmeric. And for dinner today, I'm going to be having butternut squash soup. And this is some butternut squash that's been chopped up. Over here, I have blueberries with ginger. I have my almond milk with pepper and nutmeg. I have a couple little pieces of banana left with strawberries. Some watered down orange juice. It's not fresh squeezed, sorry people. And then I have, so I'm still getting over this cold or whatever is attacking me, but I'm feeling better. But you know how like you're in the beginning stage or like at the tail end, so because I've been, you know, still got to run its course, but by taking lots of vitamin C and keeping your immune system up, it will not be as bad. Trust me. You will be like, this is a pretty manageable cold. So I'm not having a continuous dripping of the nose. I'm not having like a lot of coughing. Maybe at night when I lay down I have some congestion. But anyway, lots of vitamin C here. Gonna boost the immune system. And yeah. Alright, let's get blending. Okay, I forgot to tell you I'm doing the hemp seed heart, hemp whatever. So 1 tablespoon of that. Forgot to mention that, but it's going in there. And then I got a couple more strawberries. It's pretty full, so we'll see. And I didn't use all my OJ watered down orange juice, but yeah. Alright you guys, there it is, breakfast. Looks kind of interesting, but I must say it tastes really good. I think this is probably one of my best tasting ones, even though it looks gross. But yeah, I like all this citrusy-ness in there. One thing I do want to mention that some people may be like, oh no, you add bananas and oranges and citrus together, you can't do that. There are some people who can't tolerate it. I am one of those people who can. So if you cannot tolerate mixing the bananas and the oranges together, just simply don't put them in there. Alright, I will see you guys at lunchtime. Bye! Okay, it's lunchtime. Let's see, I got the leftover butternut squash, some almond milk with lots of nutmeg, a scoop of chia seeds, forgot to soak those, some of the pineapple frozen, some broccoli, some yellow squash, a chunk of zucchini, and I had 2 strawberries left over from breakfast that did not fit into the smoothie, so I'm going to just shove them in here. And then the water. Alrighty, let's get blending. Okay, so I tasted this and it needs a little something something, so I'm going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of this almond extract and give it just a little bit more flavor. And I have some butternut squash left over. It's pretty full, so I may just have that for breakfast tomorrow. Alright you guys, there it is. Lunch is served. And the almond extract tastes really good. It brought out some good flavor to it, or added some good flavor to it. Alright you guys. Okay you guys, it's dinner time. I made butternut squash soup. I cut them into cubes and I added some garlic. I did add garlic, but ginger is in the picture. And I added some red onions, and then I just threw everything into a crock pot and it cooked throughout the day while I was at work, and I went back at lunchtime to check on it because I didn't want to get waterlogged, but it did cook on low for about 4 hours, and I took it out. I added almond milk nutmeg, some salt and pepper. I blended it up into a nice, smooth, delicious soup. Pour it in a bowl, and you can add some nuts if you like, some seeds. You can add some hot pepper, crushed red peppers, or whatever you like. All right, you guys, give this a thumbs up, like, subscribe, ding the little bell, and this is actually the end of the 7 days. So I will do a completion video to let you know the things that I've, what am I trying to say? I'm rambling. But yeah, just look out for the ending video. All right, you guys, have a great day.